Why financial literacy is a game changer for teens. So let's be real, no? Money plays a huge role in our lives. Pero, bakit nga ba hindi madalas ito ituro sa school? We learn about math, science, and history. But when it comes to handling finances, madalas trial and error na lang. Kaya financial literacy is something we need to take seriously, especially habang bata pa tayo. Ayon nga sa Investopedia.com, having a strong financial foundation helps us achieve life goals, whether that's saving up for education, handling debt wisely, preparing for retirement, or even starting a business. Sa madaling salita, kung marunong kang humawak ng pera, mas madali ang buhay. Pero, ano nga ba ang financial literacy? Ito ang pag-intindi sa tamang paggamit ng pera. How to budget for everyday expenses like food, rent, travel, and bills. How to plan for the future, retirement, and how to manage debt without drowning in it. Isa rin sa pinaka-importanting skills ang tracking your spending. Kasi, paano mo malalaman kung nauubos na pala ang sweldo mo sa milk tea or online sales kung hindi mo sinusubaybayan, di ba? Bakit ito importanteng matutunan? Dati, ang financial education hindi masyadong accessible. Karamihan sa adults natuto na lang after magkamali. Mabaon sa utang, mawalan ng ipon, at mag-struggle sa finances. Pero ngayon, maswerte tayo. May access tayo sa financial knowledge through social media, books, and even mentors na willing magturo. Ibig sabihin, may chance tayong maghanda bago pa tayo mahirapan. Paano ka makikinabang dito? Kung may nagtuturo sa'yo about money, whether it's your parents, a mentor, or a content creators online, take it seriously. Hindi ito boring na lessons na pwedeng mo makalimutan. It's something that will impact your life forever. At kung iniisip mong, bata pa naman ako, saka na yan, isipin mo ulit. The earlier you learn, the better your future will be. So, ayaw mo naman siguro dumaan sa financial stress na naranasan ng iba, di ba? Habang maaga pa, start learning, start saving, and start making smarter financial choices. Ang future self mo ay magpapasalamat sa iyo. Thank you sa pakikinig.